In the last video, we display character A on the dot matrix display. We used very simple codes to display character A. In this video we will use an advanced programming technique to display characters on a dot matrix display. Let's start the video. Welcome to Star Technology 5G. First, create a project in Keel. I already wrote the codes. I will paste these codes here. Now I will explain these codes. Row equal P2, define port 2 as row. Rows are connected with port 2. COL equal P0, define port 0 as column. Columns are connected with port 0. Row digit EQU 30H. Create a variable at RAM location 30H. COL digit EQU 31H. Create variable at RAM location 31H. Main program. Move row digit #0, copy 0 into row digit. Move COL digit #0, copy 0 into column digit. Main, that is a label. Call row send function. Here is the row data send function. Row send, that is label. CLRA, clear A. Clear the accumulator. If there is any data, it will clear it. MOV-DPTR, hashtag row data, copy row codes into DPTR. Here are row data codes. In this line we create a table for all row codes in hex format. These are the same code we used in the last video. MOVA, row digit, copy row digit into A. Here we copied 0 into row digit. MOVCA, add a plus DPTR, calculate code and copy it into A. MOV row A, copy A into row, and send that data to row. And rows are connected with port 2. INC row digit, increment row digit. Now row digit has 1. MOVA number 9, copy 9 into A. CJNEA row digit row exit, compare A with row digit. If both values are not equal, jump to. Now both values are not equal, so it will jump to row exit. Compare A with row digit. Here is row exit. RET. Return from the function. A call to COL send. Call column send function. Here is the column data send function. COL send, that is label. CLRA, clear A. Clear the accumulator. If there is any data, it will clear it. MOV-DPTR, hashtag B, copy character B codes into DPTR. Here are character B codes. In this line we create a table for all character B codes in hex format. MOVA, COL digit, copy column digit into A. Here we copied 0 into the COL digit. MOVCA, add a plus DPTR, calculate code and copy it into A. MOVCOLA, copy A into COL and send that data to COL. and COL is connected with port 0. INC COL digit, increment COL digit. Now COL has 1. MOVA number 9, copy 9 into A. CJNEA COL digit COL exit, compare A with COL digit. If both values are not equal, jump to COL. Exit. Compare A with column digit. Now both values are not equal, so it will jump to COL exit. RET. Return from the function. A call delay, call time delay. Here is the time delay function we are using in this program. SJMP main. Small jump to main. Here is the main. And again it will repeat this loop. A call row send. Again it will clear A. MOV DPTR row data. Copy row data codes into DPTR. MOVA row digit. Now A has 1. MOVCA at A plus DPTR. Calculate code and copy it into A. Move row A. Copy A into row. In digit. Increment row digit. Now row digit has 2. MOVA number 9. Copy 9 into A. CJNZA row digit. Compare A with row digit. If not equal, then jump to row exit and exit from this function. Every time we call this function, it will repeat these instructions, and increment the row digit every time. When it will reach 9. MOVA number 9. AA also has 9. Compare A with row digit. Now both values are equal. Now it will move to the next instruction. MOV row digit number 0. Copy 0 into row digit. And return from the function. This time it will skip this instruction. A call to COL sends. Now again it will repeat these instructions. And increment the COL digit. And when it will reach 9. MOVA number 9. AA also has 9. Compare A with COL digit. Now both values are equal. Now it will move to the next instruction. MOV COL digit hash 0. And return from the function. A call delay. And jump to main. And again repeat these all functions. Now click on the build target. Hex file created. No error 1 warning. Now I will download this hex file into the microcontroller. Click on microcontroller. Select file. Click on start. Now you can see the dot matrix display showing character B. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Star Technology. Please like and share the video.